Today, I'm diving into a topic that is super important for all you Disney Plus fans out there. How to change your email on Disney Plus. It's really simple and straightforward. So follow my steps, and let's get started. First things first, grab your device. Asterisk whether you're on your phone, tablet, or laptop, you're going to want to follow along closely. All right, folks, open up that magical Disney Plus app right now. Phew, look at that splash screen. It's like entering the happiest place on earth, am I right? Now, see that little profile picture in the bottom right corner? That's your gateway to all the changes you're about to make. Tap that, and let's move to the next step. Next up, scroll down and hit account. Promise we're almost there. Don't get distracted by all the amazing new shows. But if you do, just remember, we all love a binge watch. Once you're in the account section, look for Manage My Disney. This is where the magic really begins. All right, now here comes the part where we need to verify, kind of like confirming if you really should watch Frozen again. Press here to change email, and they will send you a code via email. Now, this is important. Keep your eyes peeled for that email, because we need that code to unlock our new email on. Okay, if you're like me and can't wait the full 5 seconds, take a deep breath and chant Hakuna Matata right now. It means no worries. Check your inbox. And remember to check that spam folder if it didn't pop up right away. Blame that impish internet goblin. They can really mess with your emails. Now we're almost there. Go back to the app and enter that code. This part is crucial, my friends. Here we are choosing our new email. Now just head to the Choose Email section and type it in. Once entered, you'll need to confirm it, just like you have to confirm whether that last episode really just ended on a cliffhanger. Hit save and voila! You did it! You've officially changed your email and secured your portal to all things Disney. So there you have it, folks. Changing your Disney Plus password might not be the most exciting thing in the world, but hey, it's definitely a necessary spell for safer streaming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment about your favorite Disney show down below, and subscribe for more magical tips and tricks. As always, thank you for joining me on this fantastical journey. May your passwords be strong and your streaming adventurous. See you next time.